The Portland Trail Blazers suffered their worst loss at home since 2004 against the Utah Jazz. They lost by 30. And what's funny is Donovan Mitchell didn't even have a good game. He only scored 3 points. He was 1 of 10 from the field, but yet they still got absolutely destroyed. Jay Crowder having a lot of fun here early on, and he's just knocking down 3 after 3 after 3. What's going on with that Blazers defense? Now they're giving up a wide open slam inside. We got to see what they're doing on their side of the ball. Lillard kicking it outside. He's going to get an open look in the corner. Knocks it down. Lillard scored 19 points. McCollum had 12. And that's just not going to do it. That's not enough points. You got to backpack better to give your team a chance. CJ McCollum, he's raising the roof. He's celebrating way too early. The game is close now, but it's not going to end that way. Rubio. They just leave him wide open. If you sag off, your swag's off. You know the rules. Now he gets to the basket for the layup, and the Jazz are going on that run. They're starting to just make this score disappear. They're getting rid of the Blazers at home. It's getting ugly. And every basket is easy. Every basket is uncontested. Lack of effort from the Blazers. They need a timeout. But the timeouts don't matter. The points just keep coming for the Jazz. They win by 30. Ooh, got him leaning. It's gonna be a long night for De'Aaron Fox. Look at that reaction from the bench. They're going crazy. As soon as he started to stumble, they're jumping out of their seats. Ooh. I've got a